Hey guys, it came to my attention, not everybody might know about this, but look at this mouse. Do you see this little arrow right there? See that? Right there. That little arrow pointing to the left. Well, that's an interesting feature of this mouse. This is a Logitech M510 mouse, but the M310 and the M325 have this feature as well, and I'm sure a lot of the other Logitech mice do, and other mice. But one thing that's pretty cool about that feature is, let's say, I don't know, you're playing a level of Candy Crush, and you just happen to be on level, whoa, 3,829. That's crazy. But anyway, let's say you are, and you want to go back to a previous level. So let's say you want to do that. Well, the way that you would do that normally is you would put your cursor over the play field here, and you would scroll down using the mouse wheel. And just scroll down and down and down and down and down and down. And you might be here a while, especially if you're at level 38, whatever I said, and 29. And say you want to go down to say, I don't know, 948 or something like that. Well, you can sit here all day and do this, and you're going to get a great workout on your fingers there. But you also might get a little bit of carpal tunnel or repetitive motion problem. So anyway, there's this little button there, this little indicator here rather, shows you a trick. And so what you can do is you can take the mouse wheel and you can push it over to the left. You see, my mouse isn't even down on the a flat surface, and it just scrolls down. And you know what's really cool? You can do the other thing. You can push it to the right, and it will go back up. Pretty cool, huh? So that's a feature that not everyone might know about their mouse. It's called fast scrolling, and it's available on this Logitech. It's available on many of them. And if you are buying a mouse because Black Friday is coming up, you might want to look for that feature in a portable mouse or any mouse. So anyway, that's a feature that I thought you might find useful. I find it extremely useful, and I wanted to share that with you. If you have any comments, please put them below. If you have any suggestions for a next video, I'd love to hear what you need to know, and I can tell you that, and you can teach me something too. And hey, don't feel bad if you didn't know about this. You don't know what you don't know until you learn about it. So this is all about learning, folks, so don't feel bad. Take the knowledge, run with it, and have a great day. I hope you enjoy your Thanksgiving, and I'll talk to you later. Have a great one. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. That really helps me and the channel. Thanks.